Introducing the Chameleon Principle. If you're one of the 1 in 33 people who lives and works in a different country than where you are from, and if you've ever found yourself in need of medical assistance, then you may have noticed that there are different social systems in the world. There is the Bismarck model, or reimbursement system. There is the Beveridge model, or care-in-kind system. And then, of course, there is the out-of-pocket model, which in fact is a bit of a non-system. Depending on your situation, as an expat, you may have home country social security, host country social security, or no social security at all. So things can become quite complicated indeed. The easy solution is to take out an international private health insurance, although this can be very costly. It works well in Beveridge countries and out-of-pocket countries, but in Bismarck countries, you end up paying twice. Once for your compulsory social contributions and once for your private health insurance. Instead of taking out an international insurance, you could, of course, take out a local insurance that fills the gaps between the reimbursement and the real cost of treatment, which adds up to a lot of extra paperwork. You'll need to reapply again each time you move, and a new insurer might even decide not to accept you if you have a pre-existing health condition. So wouldn't it be great if there was one single insurance that covers all three systems at once? An insurance you could take with you as you move around? Well, now there is. With the Chameleon Principle by Expat & Co., you'll never need to change again. You see, Chameleon Principle packages are designed to adapt to your local social security system, using social security coverage where available and topping it up to give you the same benefits as an international private insurance. You'll never have to pay twice again. You're always covered, even while relocating, and you don't run the risk of losing coverage due to a pre-existing health condition. If you don't need your Chameleon insurance, for example if your employer has excellent health insurance for you, then simply put your policy to sleeper mode. And whenever you need your Chameleon policy again, it's right there, waiting for you. There's no need to reapply each time you move. Simply let us know where you'll be heading and we'll work out exactly what you need to have 100% insurance coverage at the best possible price. You see, expats are a bit like chameleons. They constantly have to change and adapt to new situations. So why not have an insurance to match? It no longer matters where you relocate to or how long for, where you live or work. With the Chameleon Principle, your coverage remains exactly the same anywhere in the world. The only thing that changes are the level of your social security coverage and your private health premium. Now, isn't that easy? With the Chameleon Principle, you can save money and use your local social security benefits as a baseline from which you can top up to the coverage you want. Save time. There's no need to seek new solutions every time you move. We have an insurance solution for every country in the world. Simply forget about all those hours of admin and choose a one-stop solution that travels with you, wherever you go. Enjoy continuity of coverage. With a Chameleon Principle-based policy, you needn't worry about qualifying periods, periods of overlap, or loss of coverage. You're always covered. Achieve equality without paying the price. With the Chameleon Principle, you and your colleagues will receive exactly the same level of coverage anywhere in the world, despite different social security systems. Personalize your coverage. Make your own policy and choose which modules, versions, deductibles and additional guarantees you want to have. Find your own Chameleon policy on www.expatinsurance.eu.